Hello guys, welcome to EProjectbox. Today we will learn about Raspberry Pi. Nowadays, so many numbers of Raspberry Pi modules are present. These are all family members of Raspberry Pi, and Raspberry Pi B Plus model is this one. Raspberry Pi is the smallest and cheapest computer in this world. As you can see, this is look like a credit card size PCB board, but this credit card size PCB board is more capable, more closer to a computer. This Raspberry Pi does not come with any operating system. When it comes like this. For install a operating system in this Raspberry Pi, you need to write the operating system in a micro SD card which should be greater than 8 GB. After write operating system in SD card, just put it over this micro SD slot. Then this Raspberry Pi board will be ready to use. Now about this Raspberry Pi has 2x2 USB port, one Ethernet port and one audio jack, one camera out, one HDMI port, and this is for display. And these 40 pins are GPIO pins, which means general purpose programmable input output pins. Using these 40 GPIO pins, you can build your own project. You no need to remember about Raspberry Pi pins. If you want to know about Raspberry Pi pins, just write a command on your command prompt of Raspberry Pi platform. Write pin out and click enter. You will able to see the entire pinout of your Raspberry Pi. And this is your power input of your Raspberry Pi. Using this port, you need to power your Raspberry Pi, and if your power input is greater than 5 volt, then it may burn. And for protecting your Raspberry Pi, this circuit is present. The maximum input current of this Raspberry Pi is 2.5 ampere, and the maximum voltage of your Raspberry Pi is 5 volt. And this one is GPU, means graphics processing unit, and this IC is BCM2835, and this is wireless controller, and as well as the USB controller and Ethernet controller. Means this IC is controlled 2x2 USB port, as well as the Bluetooth, as well as the Wi-Fi, and also the Ethernet. And now this side, this is the RAM. The chip number of this RAM is EDB8132B4PB8DFR. You can use your Raspberry Pi as a computer and also electronics projects, gaming tablet. Buying a Raspberry Pi kit, please visit our website www.eprojectbox.com. Thank you. Visit again. Keep learning. Please do subscribe, like and share. Bye bye. Keep learning.